Hola, que lo que my beautiful people, and welcome to the Dominican Republic. Today is my birthday and we are exploring this beautiful island, stopping at the farmers market, tasting new fruits, visiting a waterfall, eating authentic local breakfast in a rural community, food prepared on wood fire, typically served with sausage and cheese, warming up for this hike, going through this amazing water trail. I love it. And of course, jumping off rocks. And for dinner, another local specialty. Join me on this adventure in the DR. So cool, guys. So we're here at the market. Yes. Oh, what's this?
What's this? Zapote. I have no idea how you call it in English.
Zapote.
Yeah.
I wonder if this is gooseberry. They call it zapote. Looks like a big gooseberry, not sure. Oh no.
Good.
Tastes different.
I like it.
Oh. So they call it zapote, guys. Different. It looks from outside. It looks like a gooseberry, but it's different. Yeah, it's a little sourish. Whoa, they're big. Of course, mango is huge. Tastes really good. My God, you guys have some nice mangoes in the DR. So good. Little green ones. What do you call them?
Limoncillo.
Limoncillo?
Sí.
Alright people, so this is a market, right? A lot of similarities to Jamaica. Oh man, this is so good, this fruit. So sweet. So continue the journey. Stay tuned. We're adventuring to Dominican Republic right here. Yes, countryside, you know people, that's what I love. Yes, see the real side of Dominican Republic. I'm loving it. And we are in Cambita. Yes, and we're going further of our adventure. Stay tuned. We're going here. Yes, this is so cool. Very interesting. And guess what, guys? This is actually a very recent attraction. It became an attraction in 2021. Chocolates, these are the chocolate. There's a lot of chocolate. Los Cacaos. So we're here and we're heading to our adventure. I'm very excited. Heading up to the mountains, guys. Stay tuned, stay tuned. Epic adventure again, brought to you by yours truly.
Just in this area.
We're going to this.
I'll show you. And we're doing another stuff.
Alright guys, so now we're gonna have breakfast and this is gonna be the local place. It's Ronnie's friend. So his friend's mother will cook for us breakfast, right? So you know, so we're gonna have real authentic Dominican breakfast. Oh, I didn't bring, oh no, it's here.
They have lots of fruits here. Oh, do you see this flower, the red one?
Nice. Oh my god, this is the living. We have an avocado tree in front of us, papaya tree, sour orange, everything is here. I love this. So this is where we're gonna have breakfast, right? We're gonna have some Dominican coffee and then the breakfast, and then we get ready for our adventure to the Dominican jungle.
Bigger than the similar, but you can tell apart. My favorite thing to do is sour orange. That's the cheese, salami, onions, and avocado.
Avocado, yeah. And mango.
Accompanied with all this is the most Dominican breakfast you can have.
So you said what's made? This is made of
Plantain.
plantain.
Mashed plantain, mashed yellow.
We have a very typical Dominican breakfast. The sausage is missing, but you know guys, I don't eat meat, so it is just that, right? Can't wait to dig into this. It's gonna be my first time having Dominican breakfast. Like,
So then you got this at the market? Lunch or dinner?
It's nice.
Glad you like it.
Yeah, it's really good. I need to try this at home.
There's some fresh juice here. The cups are coming.
This tastes really good. These flavors coming together so nicely. Yeah. Yum yum yum. French?
No, it's lime.
Oh, lime. That was good. Very full, life good. Yes, so we are ready now to take on the trail right here out of the Dominican Republic, guys. Horses and donkeys are very important up in these regions to help with transportation of goods. Yep. Or luggage in our case last weekend. Yeah. And off we go. Alright, gotta put on sun lotion. We're gonna figure out. So I don't have a water shoes. I was convinced I can get a water shoes in Santo Domingo where I actually stay, but none. So I'm gonna just use my old sneakers. Yeah, I just will use them. Because where we're going, we're walking through water. Yeah. So everything will get wet. Well, it's market day. As a mouthpiece, they use the plastic bottles. This is creative. Good thing I brought my dry bag because this trail is going through water. Everything gets wet. Ooh, impressive. Ah, yeah, different. Woo! Woo! Oh, bye. What a beautiful place. We are here at the dam getting warmed up for the hike through the Nizao River. I love this already. This is impressive. Look at the rock formation. Amazing river. Oh, wow. Hey!
Looks happy.
Yeah. I love this. This is so beautiful. It's amazing. This is so beautiful. Yes, the trail goes through the water, people. It goes through the water. And And here we are. It looks so nice. This is so cool. I love it. So going through this path, the water path, and the only way to go through is to swim through. So this dry bag, yes, will have to float, and then this trail. Also, so when they release the dam, the water is so powerful, it's much higher, and at one point it took down the truck. So there's actually, right here, there's a big tire and parts of a truck. Yeah. Woo! Yes! We're doing it! Ah, it's so nice. We're floating along this river. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah! I love it! Oh man! Oh, this is amazing. Look at this guy. This is beautiful. Oh my God. People, it's my birthday today, and this is my birthday trip. No, that's a rock. No. Okay, more rocks. Okay, rock. This color, and they're very slippery. These ones are not this color, they're not slippery. And like the nature around, it's slightly different. Like the trees and all that, they're slightly different. And the other one has no color. Yep. I'm loving this. I'm loving it so much. That's exactly the type of adventure I sign up for. And we haven't even started. Like, that's the start. Now I'm already here. So we're just going through this river, right? Swimming in this little pools, floating. Yeah. Also, there's life vests for people who feel safer with a life vest. That's all available, so there's no problemo. Yeah. All right, guys. I love it so much. Whoa. And you know, in Santo Domingo it is so hot. So right now this is the perfect place to be. Nice and cool, not too cold, just right. Have you noticed I haven't screamed yet about the water is cold? Yeah. Oh man, I'm loving this. I love to be in nature. This is my perfect birthday. Ooh. Yes guys, I'm here, Dominican Republic, for my birthday, doing this amazing adventure up to the mountains, exploring the river. Yeah, all these rocks, so beautiful, so impressive. encanta. Me encanta. Me encanta. I started what I'm. This is such an amazing place, and what I really love, the story, like same thing. Actually, one person came here and took a picture, and it blew up on Instagram. And that is how this place actually became a real attraction, and now it's a community thriving off this as an attraction. It's a little business for the community. So I love these stories because I observed similar things in Jamaica as well, where the off the beaten path ecotourism took a boom because some people came there, took pictures, highlighted their experience, and now those communities can actually thrive by doing guiding jobs, tour guiding, and showing people around their community. And I think that's really, really cool. Same that person and where we had breakfast. All these, I will show you when we go back for lunch. So the first part, they built that addition because of more and more people came there, and now they're doing business. And I love this. I love this, guys. Come here, do this experience, explore Dominican Republic. It's amazing. Okay, my people, we are in the Caribbean, and certain customs are just the same. Rum. After all that swimming, I was a little cold, and Ronnie said he prepared for that and pulls out a bottle of Dominican rum. Okay, let's see how I will handle this.
No, I'm not. I don't smoke. I don't drink.
A bad representation.
Yeah. No.
Alright. Oh my god! This is high. Wow.
Guys, I took on the jump, and now I'm a little cold. And in oh yeah, in the Republic we drink rum when you're cold.
It is high. It's high. It's like that high. Wow. Yep. You have a dry towel. Huh? You have a dry towel.
He's like, you're not Jamaican, you can't even drink rum.
Made a monster.
Fix to the left.
Did you fix it? Yeah, I fixed it, and then
I love this so much.
That I needed to-
Yes. Out here jumping off rocks, right? A perfect birthday.
It's always a
I
balance
couldn't be
because,
better.
like, wear contacts,
With lovely people, Ronnie taking us out
you know, you get old
to this amazing place.
so then
Let's see if I can get a different angle and footage from up here, because it's so amazing. He's taking the high jump.
You ready?
Yes, we're ready.
All right.
Whoa! Nice.
Life's about experiences.
Yes. This is so cool.
What do they call it? The pussy flower.
I can see that.
Hey guys, along the way we fill the bag with plastic bottles and garbage. Please be part of the solution. Don't leave your garbage by the river or beach. Reduce single plastic usage and use reusable bottles instead. Thanks for helping keeping our rivers and beaches clean.
Wow, people! More beauty! Yes! So we're going over there. Guys, just stick with me. There's much more. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Let me jump into the water, cross over there, climb up there, and then we head to the next fall. So beautiful. I can't capture this climbing. We are climbing up here. So yes, need all my hands, but no. Just want to show you guys, we're halfway there. And I can see and spot the waterfall. It's beautiful. Oh my. Waterfall. Oh, this is so nice. I'm turning into a rum head here because we're doing this. Very cold. Yo, this is almost freezing cold. Birthday weekend loading. Yeah, this water is so cold. This is like a real active ice bath, active muscle recovery we're getting after all the hiking. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Yeah. That's what's up. I'm getting better.
You are getting very good. Very good at it.
I'm getting a rum head. Ronnie. Yes. Guys.
You can zoom in.
Ronnie live about experience. Saliendo conta. Don't lax.
For likes.
That's how we do it. I'm getting there. By end of this trip, I'm a strong rum drinker. I one of these. I'm bringing it home.
When do you fly home?
On Monday. We're climbing back. I have to put on the camera because this climbing is serious. I wish I could show you guys actually the climbing here, but yes. But guess what? I actually had a head mount, and for some reason the little thing broke off. Anyways, just imagine the hike. Right here, people. Yes. Beautiful waterfall. And we did it! Bam! Alright.
You want one, right? No, you're driving. I got 5 tickets.
Alright. Got some refreshments by the bar here. And now we're going back up to the same place where we had a breakfast this morning. And the lovely lady is having a lunch prepared for us. Some real Dominican lunch. And yeah, we are hungry.
This is self-service. Go ahead,
Yeah.
serve all you want. Don't be shy.
Oh, you don't even drink.
Yeah, I know. So we have rice and then beans. Oh, nice. And then what's that, pork?
Chicken, I think.
Chicken. So you know, guys, that's not for me. But then there's this delicious eggplant and plantain. Nice.
In Spanish, this is pollo.
Pollo.
For chicken.
Yeah.
Can't wait to dig into this. Yes, very Dominican. So let's see. I love beans anyway. So the eggplant, and they do the onions almost similar to what we have with the escovitch fish, what we had for lunch as well. No, for breakfast. Do a similar thing with the vinegar and the onion.
Yes.
Very nice. You want some? That eggplant, oh my, so good. I need to Google that recipe. I need to Google this recipe. Presidente. I'm mixing this with the lemonade. It's delicious. Cheers. Alright, people, and so this was an amazing tour, and I'm here with our tour guide himself. Ronnie, pick up yourself. That was just amazing. Come over here. So, yes, well done. I enjoyed it so much. Today's my birthday. And I did this. Thank you. And I couldn't have asked for a better adventure on my birthday. It was just breathtaking, as you will see in this video. So guys, if you visit the Dominican Republic, or if you actually live here and you want to do that same excursion, this is the person, right? Where can people find you?
You can find me on Instagram as Tiburoni RD, which is TIBURONNIERD. That's on Instagram. On Facebook, Ronnie Mencibo.
Don't worry, I will leave all this information in the description below, so you can just click on it and find Ronnie and this amazing tour, what we will call ecotourism. You know, it's amazing. I really loved it. It was so cool, man. Yeah, man. If you're coming to Jamaica, you know, you have to let me know, and I will give you a tour of Jamaica.
Pleasure to bring people to do my favorite things to do here in the Dominican Republic.
Yes, it's a cultural experience. You know, we eat local food, we're driving through the landscape of the Dominican Republic, we're in a community of
Los Cacaos.
Los Cacaos, how could I forget? Los Cacaos. And yeah, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and this is a wrap. I catch you on my next adventure. Bye.